Hi, everyone. Welcome back to ESL Speaking Corner. I'm teacher Lisa, and today we're going to have a little fun with the English language. Have you ever heard someone say easy peasy, wishy washy, or bling bling and thought, what are they saying? Well, today you'll learn about rhyming word expressions and something called reduplication. Don't worry, it sounds like a big word, but it's actually a simple concept. These are catchy, playful patterns in English that native speakers use all the time. Let's go. So, reduplication really means repeating all or part of a word, sometimes with a small change. We do this in English to sound more fun, casual, or even a little dramatic. So, there are three main types. We have rhyming, like hocus pocus or super duper. We have exact, like bye bye or go go. And then we have what we call a sound change, like zig-zag or flip-flop. So in this video, we'll focus mostly on rhyming and sound changing types. These are the most fun and useful in conversation. So let's look at some common rhyming word expressions you might hear in daily English. So I'll give you the expression, the meaning, and an example sentence. Easy peasy. It means very easy. So kids use this a lot. They might say, this homework is easy peasy. Then we have lovey dovey. It means very affectionate or romantic. They were acting all lovey dovey in the cafe. Hanky panky. It means silly or suspicious behavior. It can also mean flirtatious, so there could be a romantic aspect depending on how it's used. So if you want to talk about silly behavior, you a teacher might say, if there's an in-person class, no hanky panky in class. So no fooling around, no silly behavior. But hanky panky could mean flirtatious. Oh, look at those two. I think there's a little hanky panky going on, meaning they're being romantic in some way. Super duper. Very good. You did a super duper job. And then boogie woogie. It's a style of dance or music. So let's do some boogie woogie. So it's really this excited dancing, kind of hip hop. You're really sort of getting down, they might even say. So we call it boogie woogie. So you don't need to memorize all of these at once. Just start noticing them when you hear native speakers. So now let's look at some sound change expressions. There are super common. They really are super common. So, first one, zigzag, a line with sharp angles. This road goes zigzag up the mountain. It's interesting. I'm here in the Philippines currently, and we do have a road called Zigzag Road, and it does exactly that. It has these sharp angle turns. Flip flop, a type of sandal. You might know that, a flip flop, like a beach sandal, but maybe you didn't know it means to change your mind. So the first one is more literal. I wore flip flops to the beach. But the other one, she flip flopped on her opinion, right? She keeps changing her mind. Next one, hip hop. It's a music genre or kind of music. Do you like hip hop music? The next one, TikTok. No, it's not the social media app TikTok. You notice the spelling is different. It's the sound that a clock makes. So sometimes we use this expression like, TikTok, time is running out. Like, hurry up. The time is going. Last one, chit chat, light or casual conversation. It's kind of like small talk when you say chit chat. We had a little chit chat before class. It could be about something serious. So chit chat doesn't mean just light small talk. It just really means a brief conversation. It could be about something that is potentially serious, but it didn't go on for a long time, and you're not going really deep and heavy into a topic. So these word pairs are fun and expressive, and they'll make your English sound more colorful. So, why are these useful? Well, using these expressions can help you sound more natural and understand native speakers better, especially in casual conversation or when you're watching movies. They're also a great way to practice pronunciation and rhythm, since many of these words are playful and easy to say. So, which of these expressions was your favorite? Any new expressions here? Comment below and then try using them in a sentence. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fun English lessons, and share this with your ESL friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for stopping by at ESL Speaking Corner, where we help you speak with confidence every day. Take care, everybody. See you in the next video.